Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Gmail to the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First we have to open up the Slack app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our channels, our direct messages and some tips. From here we just go into general, then to connect apps. Here we scroll down, and under the essential apps section, we just tap on Slack for Gmail, and the app is going to load. But after it is done, we can just tap on the Add to Slack button, and thereby the Gmail app is going to be added to our workspace. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.